Most drivers have no idea what their car is truly capable of. But get this, one of them could save you thousands of dollars in repairs, yet you probably ignore it. So before you waste another cent at the mechanic, here are 11 secret car features most drivers never heard about. Don't skip it because the last feature could be game changer for you. Secret number 1. Night vision capabilities. Imagine driving down a dark, foggy road and spotting a deer or pedestrian well before your headlights reveal them. That's the advantage of automotive night vision systems, which use infrared technology to detect heat signatures from living beings and objects. These systems can extend your visibility up to 1,000 feet ahead, significantly enhancing safety during nighttime driving. Luxury vehicles like the BMW X5, Audi A8, and Cadillac Escalade have integrated these systems, providing drivers with enhanced awareness in low-light conditions. For instance, BMW's night vision with pedestrian detection highlights pedestrians on the iDrive display, alerting drivers to potential hazards ahead. The technology behind these systems often originates from military applications, utilizing thermal imaging to detect heat differences. Active systems project infrared light to illuminate the road, while passive systems detect natural heat emissions from objects, functioning effectively even in complete darkness or adverse weather conditions. As automotive technology advances, these night vision features are becoming more accessible, with aftermarket options available for various vehicle models. Investing in such a system could be a game changer for your nighttime driving experience, offering an extra layer of safety and peace of mind. Secret number 2. Remote start. Here's something most drivers don't realize. Nearly 90% of modern cars now support remote start, even if there's no obvious button for it. If your key fob has a circular arrow symbol, chances are you're set. But even without it, some cars still hide this feature with a secret button combo. In newer Lexus, Toyota, and Mazda models, try clicking the lock button twice, then hold it on the third press. BMW drivers, just tap the lock 3 times in quick succession and watch your engine roar to life from across the parking lot. It's not just a cool party trick. Remote start can actually help your engine, especially during extreme weather. In cold conditions, it gives your engine time to warm up and allows oil to flow properly, which reduces internal stress. In summer heat, it lets your AC kick in early, so your car isn't a sauna when you get in, and it eases the load on the cooling system too. The Consumer Technology Association once predicted that by 2021, 90% of all new cars would include remote start by default. While that number didn't fully materialize, remote start is still far more common than most people think. Check your car's manual or search your model online. You might already have this hidden luxury without even knowing it. Secret number 3, key fob brain hack. Ever found yourself pacing through a parking lot, clicking your key fob over and over, hoping to hear that one reassuring beep? Here's a trick that sounds fake, but it's backed by actual physics. Your head works as a signal booster. Seriously, pressing your fob to your skull can extend the range from around 30 feet to over 85 feet. It works because the water in your brain acts like a conductor, helping electromagnetic signals travel farther and stronger. Yep, your brain is basically walking Wi-Fi. And it's not some fringe science. It's legit, practical, and weirdly satisfying the first time you try it. But that's not the only surprise your key fob is hiding. Take a closer look. Almost all modern fobs have a mechanical key tucked inside. There's usually a tiny latch on the side. Pop it open, and boom, instant access, even if your fob's battery is dead. It's like your key has a backup key hidden inside. Keyception, if you will. And trust me, that little trick comes in handy when you least expect it. So next time you're stuck in a massive shopping mall parking lot, trying to find your car in a sea of strangers, just raise your fob to your head and let your brain do the broadcasting. Secret number 4, easy fill tire alert. Nobody enjoys filling their tires, except maybe Nissan. With their easy fill tire alert system, this chore becomes almost satisfying. Available in models like the Rogue, Altima, and Pathfinder, the system lets your car tell you when your tires are perfectly inflated. Just park the car, leave the ignition on, and start filling. The exterior lights will flash to show it's active, and when the tire hits the correct pressure, your car honks to let you know you're done. Other automakers like GMC, Cadillac, and Jeep have also added this clever feature to several of their models. That means no more second-guessing your tire pressure or relying on sketchy tire gauges that always seem to fail when you need them most. Studies show that up to 90% of drivers underinflate their tires, which leads to worse fuel economy and faster tire wear. This system removes the guesswork and ensures your tires are always at the ideal pressure for safety and performance. It's incredibly simple to use, even if you know nothing about cars. When the correct pressure is reached, you'll hear a single honk. If you overinflate, the system honks again and flashes the hazard lights to warn you. It's like having a built-in tire technician, gently guiding you to perfect pressure without the hassle or confusion of traditional tools. Secret number 5, anti-glare rear-view mirrors. That small tab on the bottom of your rear-view mirror? It's not just there for looks. When someone behind you blasts their high beams, flipping that tab instantly reduces the glare, making night driving a lot less blinding. It's a basic yet brilliant use of physics. Instead of reflecting the bright light straight into your eyes, the mirror tilts slightly to bounce the glare upward toward your car's ceiling. You still see what's behind you, but without the temporary blindness. Surprisingly, around 14% of drivers over the age of 65 avoid night driving altogether because of headlight glare. And that's despite this simple feature being in cars for decades. But modern vehicles are stepping it up. Many now come with auto-dimming rear-view mirrors that use smart sensors and electrochromic gel. When bright lights are detected, the mirror darkens automatically. No flipping required. It's like your rear-view mirror puts on sunglasses for you, exactly when you need them. It's one of those quiet little innovations that makes a huge difference, especially during long night drives or on poorly lit roads. Simple, clever, and seriously underrated. Secret number 6, drowsiness detection systems. If you've ever seen a little coffee cup icon pop up on your dashboard, no, it's not suggesting a Starbucks detour. It's your car's polite way of saying, "You're getting sleepy. Please don't hurt us." Modern vehicles come equipped with surprisingly advanced drowsiness detection systems. Some use interior cameras to monitor your facial features, tracking things like frequent blinking, drooping eyelids, or nodding off. Others analyze your driving behavior, like drifting in your lane or erratic speed changes, to catch signs of fatigue early. In Subarus, for example, the system sounds a rapid beeping and displays an eye icon when it thinks you're too tired to drive safely. It's like your car gently tapping you on the shoulder and saying, "Time to take a break, friend." And it's not just a courtesy feature, it's a literal lifesaver. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, drowsy driving causes an estimated 100,000 crashes, 71,000 injuries, and over 1,500 deaths each year. The tech behind it is impressive, whether it's facial recognition systems watching for micro-expressions or software monitoring how smoothly you steer. When your car suggests a coffee break, it's not being cute. It's trying to protect you and everyone else on the road. So when that little cup lights up, take the hint. Your life might just depend on it. Secret number 7, emergency shift lock release. Imagine this. Your car battery dies in the middle of traffic and you need to push the vehicle to safety. But there's a problem. Your automatic transmission won't shift into neutral without power. Or can it? Enter the emergency shift lock release. Tucked beneath a small plastic cover near your gear shifter is a hidden override button that lets you manually unlock the transmission. Just pop the cover off using your car key or a small screwdriver, press the button, and suddenly you can shift out of park, even with a dead battery. This tiny, often overlooked feature can mean the difference between being stuck in a dangerous location and safely rolling your car out of harm's way. People have waited hours for a tow truck simply because they didn't know this existed, while traffic backed up around them and stress levels soared. Don't let that be you. Take a few minutes to locate this emergency release in your own car. The exact location varies by make and model. Sometimes it's next to the shifter, other times it's hidden beneath the shift boot, or disguised as a small slot requiring a key. Knowing where it is ahead of time could save you from a serious roadside headache, and maybe even a costly towing bill. Bonus: you'll look like an absolute legend if you ever use this tip to help someone else in need. Secret number 8, conversation mirrors. Ever feel like you need superpowers just to keep an eye on what's going on in the back seat? Good news, your car might already have a built-in solution. Many 3-row SUVs and minivans come equipped with a conversation mirror cleverly hidden in the sunglasses holder above the rearview mirror. Flip it down, and suddenly you've got a wide-angle view of the entire back row. No yoga moves required. For parents, this feature is a game-changer. You know that moment when the back seat goes suspiciously quiet and you're trying to glance over your shoulder while driving. It's stressful and dangerous. With a conversation mirror, you can instantly check whether your toddler is peacefully asleep or coloring on the upholstery with a juice box. But it's not just for kids. These mirrors are also great for keeping an eye on pets during road trips. One quick look, and you'll know if your dog is behaving or chewing through a seatbelt. No more guesswork, no unnecessary distractions, just peace of mind. It's such a small feature, but it makes a huge difference when you're transporting your most valuable cargo. And hey, if you're enjoying this countdown of hidden car features that make life easier and safer, now's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button. We've got 3 more incredible tips coming up, and trust us, you won't want to miss the last feature that drivers say saved their sanity. Secret number 9, hidden storage compartments. Car manufacturers have been playing hide and seek with your storage space, and in this case, that's a very good thing. Brands like Jeep have been slipping hidden compartments into their vehicles for years. For example, the Grand Cherokee includes at least one secret stash spot that most thieves would never even think to check. But Jeep isn't the only one in on the secret. The Infiniti G35 hides a compartment inside the rear armrest. Volkswagen Golf models have a clever hideaway under the driver's seat. And the Toyota Hilux? It features a dash compartment that doubles as a cool box. Perfect for keeping your drinks chilled on road trips. Some of these storage spots are so well disguised that even longtime owners don't know they're there. There are even stories of people discovering secret compartments years after buying their vehicle, sometimes with random items left behind by previous owners. It's like finding a mini time capsule in your own car. So this weekend, take a few minutes to really explore your vehicle. You might be surprised by what's hidden in plain sight. Secret number 10. Color-coded engine components. Ever popped your hood and wondered why some engine parts are bright yellow, blue, or red, while others are just dull gray or black? It's not a design choice. It's a built-in guide. Car manufacturers use color coding to help you quickly identify which components you can safely handle yourself, and which ones are better left to the pros. Those bright-colored caps, usually yellow, blue, or red, are like a friendly invitation. Go ahead, you've got this. They typically mark fluid reservoirs you can top off yourself, like oil, coolant, or windshield washer fluid. On the other hand, the unmarked or dark-colored components? Best not to mess with those unless you know exactly what you're doing. Understanding this system can save you hundreds in unnecessary service charges. And let's be real. If your mechanic's been charging you $50 just to refill washer fluid, it might be time to find a new one. But this color coding isn't just about saving money. It's also designed to protect your engine from well-meaning mistakes. Mix up the oil cap with the coolant reservoir or pour washer fluid into the brake system, and you're looking at some serious damage. Here's a quick cheat sheet. Yellow usually indicates engine oil. Blue often marks windshield washer fluid or coolant. Red may signal transmission fluid. Learn these basics, and you'll be navigating your engine bay with confidence, even if you still don't know the difference between a spark plug and a soda cap. Secret number 11. Breathe clean air at the push of a button. Ever been stuck behind a diesel truck belching black smoke or driving through a mystery-smelling stretch of farmland? That button on your dashboard with the little car and a circular arrow? It's not just decorative, it's your built-in air quality shield. That's the recirculation button, and it's designed to block out polluted or unpleasant air from the outside. With one press, your vehicle stops drawing in air from the road and instead recycles the cleaner, cooler air already inside your cabin. Not only does this help protect your lungs from exhaust fumes, allergens, and airborne contaminants, it also boosts your AC efficiency by up to 20%, especially during extreme heat. That means your car cools down faster and your system doesn't have to work as hard. It's especially useful in bumper-to-bumper traffic, near construction zones, or in areas with poor air quality. And here's a bonus. By reducing the amount of dirty air entering your car, you're also helping extend the life of your cabin air filter. Fewer replacements, less maintenance, and more money saved. So next time you spot that little icon, remember, it's not just a button. It's your first line of defense against the invisible wave of pollution outside your windows. And that wraps up our list of the top 11 hidden car features that can save you serious money. How many of these did you already know about? Or better yet, use regularly? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest, no-fluff car content that gives you the edge every driver should have. Because being a smart driver isn't just about how you drive, it's about what you know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.